First morning, we're out here in northern Utah. We're looking for a couple of bucks that have been in here the last couple of years. Got a couple bucks spotted, just not quite the age class we're looking for. See the upside down L? Yeah. With the trees right in the middle there. Looks like a doe though.
Go straight right and kind of that biggest, kind of darker bush there. He's right under that. But
we saw some deer. We just glassed up some bedded bucks. We just didn't see the buck we're looking for. So we're gonna go back to camp, get some drinks, get some food, come back. There's been a mature buck in here and we're trying to find him. They saw him this morning over here, so we're hoping to turn him up, locate him. We can try to make a game plan, try to get in front of him. That's what we're gonna do. Well, I feel like we're in the spot where we need to be. I'm pretty confident tomorrow we're gonna see this buck. What do you think?
oh yeah.
Yeah, and then we can put this game plan together and execute. Morning, day 2. We're back at the same spot we were last night, and we found the buck that we're looking for. The buck went into this grove of trees, the bed, so we don't want to push him. We're gonna let him be, come back tonight, find him. In the meanwhile, we're gonna go just check out more country. Skyline up there. Small buck. The buck gave us a slip. He's in a really tough spot where we weren't able to get the wind right. We are just gonna sit on him till dark and see where he ends up.
I think I got this picture.
Like down low, huh?
Yeah.
How would you get down? Follow the drainage down?
Yeah. Because if you tried to come off the main road, that's going to be just as far. So take my truck and drive around to the head of that grove where the pine trees are, and then just, I'd stay like down to the right of the grove from what we're seeing here. Just walk down the bottom. There'll be good cow trails.
Yeah.
And then when you get to where I can see you, and then we'll have you work up through that grove.
It's over. I think they went into this. Well, that sucks.
I know you sitting in the truck.
Waiting on you, my poncho.
The last time I saw you, you was over at Dudley's campers. I thought you was over there.
I just doing some luck. Afternoon, day 4. This morning was the bust. Tried to find that buck from last night, couldn't find him, and we found him. Bet it's 4:30. We got 3.5 hours to take our time and get in close. Hopefully close the deal on this guy. All right, let's roll. I see a bug. On the skyline up there. Oh, right over the top. What a freaking bummer. We just stalked in to 60 yards and that buck dropped 2 feet and arrow soared right over the top of him. Well, it's over. We had a great time. Tried hard. Hopefully we get him next time.